Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Naftesh Batra. So this is my first video, and the reason I have created this channel is hundred of thousands of engineers pass out from India every year, and though some of us get job at Google, Microsoft, Facebook and other big companies, but 90% of the people get left behind and they don't either they don't have jobs or they do very tedious jobs. So I'm here to give some directions like providing you with opportunities, internships, off-campus jobs, and helping each other grow with that system. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. So, the first job here today we have is from Serum Institute of India. They are hiring for 2020 and 2021 batches, but the constraint is like only biotech students and microbiology students can apply here. The another constraint we have is only the people from Maharashtra, those who are studying or living in Maharashtra, they can apply here. Non, this drive is not for everyone, so that's a constraint, and the salary will be around 3.1 lakhs per annum. Yeah, moving ahead, we have another great company, Aptian, and they are looking for associate software engineer. I have find it on LinkedIn, and it's a very great company. They are providing an salary of around 5.3 lakhs per annum, and BTech students can apply for it, and 2019, 2020, and even freshers of 2021 can apply for this job as well. Moving ahead, we have another company, Pearson. It's a very good company, and they're looking for associate software developers. The salary will be around 34,000 per month, and the freshers can apply here. Next company we have is Eastman. The domain they are hiring is for system analyst, and freshers and even 2019 and 2020 batches can apply here. They provide a very handsome salary of around 7 lakhs per annum, so you can surely go for it. The next company we have is Entity. It's a very great company. I have also seen it many a times on various profiles. So they are hiring for graduate trainees, and the batches that are allowed for it are 2020 and 2021. So even the associate engineers at Entity get salary of around 35 to 28,000 per month. So yeah, it's a very good salary for beginners. The next company we have is Cadence. It's a very great company again, and they're hiring for intern, and the tenure will be for around 11 months. So you can also get PPO if you perform well in the internship, right? The next will be from Precisely. Precisely is again a very good company, and they're hiring for associate software engineers. As per Glassdoor, they are providing a salary of around 9 lakhs per annum for the associate software engineers, and the branches that will be allowed will be CS, IT, and ECE. The next company we have is Renault Nissan Technology and Business Center India. So as we can see, they are hiring for graduate engineer trainees, and the salary will be 3.5 to 4.2, and the location will be Chennai. But the thing here is that they want a 3 years bond, so be specific while you are applying for the same. The next company is again a very good company, BetSol. I have recently searched about it on in LinkedIn. So they are hiring for BE, BTech, or even MCA students of 2021. So you can fill your details and go for it. The thing is, like, at this point you will be redirected to another link, and you have to share your resume here and then fill the form. So moving ahead, we have another company, Flickstock. I don't know much about it, but yeah, they are hiring for software engineers, and they provide a salary of around 5 lakhs per annum. The batches allowed here are 2018, 2019, and 2020, and CSE, IT, and EC students can apply for the same. Moving ahead, we have another good company, CAD India Private Limited, and they are hiring for associate software engineers. So the batches that are allowed here is 2018, 2019, 2020. Even freshers can look for this opportunity, and the salary they will be providing will 5.6 lakhs per annum as per Glassdoor. The next job we have is by Visual BI. So this is a bit different because they are hiring for product developers. So you can look for it, and yeah, it's a very good company, so you can go for it. Only 2020 and 2021 batches will be allowed for the same. The next company is Replicon. It's a very great software company, and they'll be hiring for full stack engineers, and CSIT and EC students of 2020 and 2021 batches can apply for it. Moving ahead, we have another company, Kaplan, and the batches will be allowed will be 2019 and 2020 because they only have experienced candidates, and CSIT and EC students can apply for it. The next job will be from Radar Analytics, and they're hiring for data engineers. The salary they provide are 4.2 lakhs per annum as per Glassdoor, and the batches allowed will be 2019 and 2020. So CSIT and EC students can look for it. The next is a very good company, AstraZeneca. I have recently researched about it on LinkedIn. So they are hiring for associate software engineers, and the salary will be around 4.9 lakhs per annum, and 2020 and 2021 batches can apply for the same. The next is by Autodesk. You all have heard about this company. It's a very good company, and they're hiring for software engineers, full stack software engineers, and CSIT and EC students can apply for it with batches of 2020 and 2021. Moving ahead, we have another great company, BrahMos Aerospace, and they're hiring for associate engineers, and batches of 2020 and 2021 batches can apply for here. The next we have is Marsh McLennan. It's a very great company, and batches of 2020 and recent graduates can apply for it with CSIT and EC domain. And at the last we have is by Tata Health. You should have, you should be a 2021 pass out, and your marks should be greater than 70% in 10th 12th, and your CGPA, undergraduate CGPA, should be more than 7, and they'll be providing a salary of 7 lakhs per annum. So you can easily register by filling out these details. So that's it from my side, and you can all comment down, or you can even ask any questions you have, so we can grow together. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.